Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn open close principle from solid principles. So it's a full form of O from solid word. This is open close principles. So the open close principle states that software entities such as classes, modules, and functions should be open for extension but closed for modification. This means that you should be able to extend the behavior of system without modifying its existing code. This principle is often achieved through the use of abstraction, polymorphism, and interfaces. So let's understand this with one example. I have included the libraries that is IOStream and Vector. Okay, then we have one abstract class that is shape which is representing the concept of different shapes. It has one virtual function that is area, that is pure virtual function for calculating the area. Then we have rectangle and circle are concrete implementation of shape, each providing its own implementation of area function. So here we have rectangle class, which is inherited from shape base class, and we have implementation of function area. Okay, here it is. We have for rectangle, then we have implementation of function area for circle. Okay, these are three classes. One is base class, which have pure virtual function for calculating area. Then we have two derived classes. One is rectangle, other is circle. Okay, then we have a function to calculate the total area of collection of shapes. So this is function to calculate the area. So the calculate total area function takes a vector of shape pointers. So it's taking vector of shape pointers here, vector of shape pointers. Then and it calculates the total area without modifying its code when new shapes are added. So we are calculating area. We will be calculating area for circle as well as rectangle. But this function will be calculating the area for different shapes. We can calculate it for rectangle as well as for circle. Okay, so it calculates the total area without modifying its code when new shapes are added. Whenever we add new shapes here, new shape classes, we can calculate the area by calling this function only. No need to modify this function. Okay, so this is called as open closed principle. Okay, entity should open for extension but close for modification. We can extend it but can't modify it. Okay, so this demonstrate the open close principle. New shapes can be added without changing existing code. By adhering to the open close principle, the system becomes more extensible. If you want to add new shape, you can create new class derived from shape and implement the method area function without modifying the existing code that calculates total area. What I said, you don't need to modify this function. You just need to add new class, new derived class, and inherit the base class shape. You need to implement the function that is area for it. So in main function, we have created two objects. One is for rectangle where we are passing this length and width, and this is we are passing the radius for circle class. Okay, we have created object for circle class. Then we are storing the shapes in vector. Okay, here we are storing shapes in vector. We have stored the rectangle, then we have stored the circle. Then we are calculating total area without modifying existing code. We taking area from calculate area function from here. Now let's run the program and check if it's working well. Click on local Windows debugger. Program is running successfully and total area is 34.636349. So this is how open and close principle, solid principle works. If you have any questions, you can add in question section and I will elaborate more. Okay. Thank you. That's it for this video.